How is it going everybody, Mr. Android here. This is my Galaxy S23 Ultra and the entire setup that you currently see on my home screen has been created using the stock Samsung launcher. So if you own a Samsung Galaxy device and you really want to change the look of your boring home screen but with the stock launcher, then this video is perfect for you. Basically, I'll show you how to get this exact look on your Samsung home screen. So stay tuned and watch this video till the very end. Also, let's aim for at least 1000 likes on this one. With that said, drop a like, leave a comment and let's get started. First things first, let's talk about this beautiful gradient wallpaper. It's from an app called Elegant Splash and links to all the applications will be listed down in the description below. It's a free app where you can find some really good collection of wallpapers for your home screen. All the wallpapers that you see here are from Unsplash, and it makes it easier for you to download these beautiful wallpapers directly to your phone. Now in case you don't want to install a separate app just to get this wallpaper, I'll also make sure to drop a direct link to this exact wallpaper in the description so you can save the wallpaper even without installing the app itself. Once you are done setting up the wallpaper, the next thing you have to do is you need to change the icon pack, and the pack that I'm currently using on this particular setup is called Atom Icon Pack. These are just a set of colorful icons with a black background and that really make the icons pop on your home screen. It comes with more than 3000 beautiful icons which can easily cover more than 80% of the apps you have installed on your phone. Even though this pack is not free, it is paid, but I do have 30 promo codes to give away. To win one, all you have to do is like and comment on this video and send me a DM on Instagram asking for the promo code. It's a first come first serve basis. Now, in order to apply any icon pack without the need of third-party launcher, you will need the GoodLock app, which I'm sure a lot of you must have already installed on your Samsung phone. But in case if you haven't already, then just go to the Galaxy store and search GoodLock. It is made by Samsung specially to customize your Galaxy devices. So just go ahead and install this app. Once done, simply open GoodLock. Here you will see a lot of different modules, but we will need only 2 modules to customize our home screen. First one is called Theme Park, and then you also need to install the Home Up module. Once that is done, just open Theme Park, select Icon, tap on Create New, and then select this option that says Icon Pack. Here you will see a list of all the packs that you have downloaded from the Play Store. Simply select Atom Icon Pack from the list and then tap on Save. You can also give a name and then click on Done. It's gonna take some time to save the theme and then finally click on Apply. That's it. This changes the entire look of your boring app icons and now you have got this beautiful looking icons. As you can see on my home screen, I was able to reduce the size of the app icons and remove the app labels as well. To do this, again go to GoodLock and this time you need to install the Home Up module. Go inside Home Up, select Home Screen and change the home screen grid size to 6x6. If you scroll down, you also get the option to disable the app labels. So if you really want to hide the app names from your home screen, then you can turn on this setting. Finally, let's talk about widgets. I have got 4 different widgets on my home screen and all of them are from a free widget pack called Flow KWGT. Even though it's a free widget pack, you still need to install the KWGT Pro version in order to apply any widgets on your home screen. So make sure you download the KWGT along with the Pro key from the links that I have provided in the description below. Once that is done, just press and hold on your home screen, select widgets and then click on KWGT. Here you can see the list of all the widgets that you have downloaded from the Play Store. Simply select Flow KWGT and there are 4 different widgets that I am currently using on my setup. The date and time widget is actually the widget number 20. Then we have the music widget and this is the widget number 40. Finally, we have the control panel widget, which is the widget number 18, followed by the weather widget and the number is 009. So just go ahead and apply all these widgets on your home screen. You can set the date and time widget on the left. Then we have the music widget on the right side. Finally, you can set the control panel and the weather widget at the bottom like this. That's pretty much it. This is how you can customize and get this exact look on your Samsung phone without installing any third-party launcher. All you need to do is simply install the applications from the description and then follow all the steps that I have mentioned in this video. If you still face any issue, then let me know in the comment section. I'll definitely help you out. And if you guys like this video, then be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I am Mr. Android and I'll see you guys in the next one.